Hey everyone, this is Angel from Engine's Jewelry Findings. What we have here is from Shop Goodwill Online, and this box is come from Texas, and it's 9 pounds. All right, here we go. It's in the bag. We might not go all through this in one day, but it's almost 10 pounds. There we go, right there. I'm gonna lift this up and put it on the table. Here's our receipt. The invoice is, the total is $30.70. Shipping is $13.75, and shipping and handling is $2, and tax $1.95. And it says 9 pounds of scrap passion and crafting jewelry. Maybe it's all broken. We'll see. We shall see. It looks like it. It looks like it's all broken. This is how to start with. Oh, we got some band for iPhone watch. Oh, look at that. We do not know what this is. It's just a we started here. We started this messy stuff. And sign of broken. There's the earring. There's, looks like a Prague heart. I think it's a hair bow. Stretching here. We have this One Love. Looks like that you could buy this when you go visit Mexico or some place like that. Maybe not. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. You can correct me. This looks nice. Oh. What is this? It's a Hello Kitty. That's kind of cute. Yeah, that's Hello Kitty necklace. Sweet. It says sweet. And I think, let's see our magnifying. Oh yeah, it's not. Oh, it's 925, guys. It says 925. That's a good start. Look at the chain. It also looks nice, like a bead chain. Beads. What is this? This earring. This is, looks like a pendant. Right there. Like so many rings, but that's the tassel. Get this stuff in here. Got alien, and it's stretchy plastic. Oh, this is cute. It has all the rhinestone in between, and it looks like broken, but it looks like sterling. Maybe not. Let's see what it says in here. Megan Leanne, I think that's the name of the kids. Stephanie and Morgan. This is their this represents the kids' birth stone. It represents their month birth, I guess. Garbage. What's this? So, used to be earring. Right here is used to be earrings. See that? Garbage. Be a buddy, not a bully. I like that. Never pick on others. Treat everyone with respect. Be a buddy to students who are bullied. Some good words there, kids. Never to be bullied. And never bully. And this is broken. It's all the sparkly rhinestone in there. This doesn't look good at all. It's missing a stone. Crap. This one, I think it's glass. It's style. At least this one is not broken. It's 3 layers. That's pretty right there. Seashell. Plastic beads. Some earrings here. I think this came from something. And this looks cold to touch. It's time to remove some stuff that can be made to beads. This is just a chain. It's doesn't look like sterling. It's also rusted. This one is good. Like that. It's the paint is coming off on this one. Okay. Oh, what we have here? Is that what people use during wedding? Okay, we'll throw this in the trash. This one has, look at this pendant. It looks, it's broken here. See that? It looks like probably turquoise. Probably. And it looks like it has 2 chain in there. See that? But it broke. came off. I don't think this is sterling either. Not this one, but because that one, this is just extension. This one is, I don't know. We'll see. I'm still gonna check that. And we have this $2.40 accessories. It's only 2 left. Oh my goodness. I have this Walmart $1.50. Another earring coming on. It's good for Christmas. 50 cents. There's another one. Put the earrings over there. This one is just for beads. This one is broken. Those earrings. There's another earring here. This one is Moo tassel. Oh jeez, that's not good right there. Put it in plastic. Like this. Could be it's mold. I don't think it's real either. Yeah. Another earring here. Something. This came up with something. It's broken. The broken one that looks sterling, I'm not gonna throw it away because I gotta check on it. Maybe I can scrap it for sterling. It's for silver. Here's this necklace with this long chain necklace. I mean, link. I don't know about this. That looks nice. Look at this. Oh, this is 2 necklaces. This one looks nice, but it's tarnished in here because people have been wearing it. And look at that tassel on the bottom. It's not real. It's paper. I'll just put it there. And another one here. This one is layered. It's like this. With a ribbon, something like this. It's nasty though. Gotta take that out. Our first pair of earrings. Oh, that's not the pair. This is a broken crop thing. So it's this one. Just a cord like a shoelace cord. Necklace. Oh, we have this iPhone watch. Would you look at that? I'm pretty sure this is not. It's nasty. It's not original iPhone from Apple Store. There's two in here. iPhone band. I mean iWatch. Let's see. Alright guys, see what I'm trying. This one is a headband, I think. Yeah, that's a headband. And there. All the rhinestones seems to be there. This is the one I'm trying to move. Because all this illusion something. There's fine plastic. And this one here. Seems to be all coming up. This is just gonna use for crafting. See that? Just checking for. And this one right here, Charming Charlie, it's broken. Look at that, how broken that is. It was new, but I think from moving apart. See that? At least we know it's Charming Charlie. It's $13. I think I saw a pair on this one here. It's tarnished. We don't sell tarnished earring. Look at that. Earring, another tarnish. Another earring here. Oh, look at this, guys. That's pretty. Look at that pretty style in there. And it's so tiny though. Oh, there's a name in here. I mean Mark. Oh, Kendra Scott. That's Kendra Scott. I should have known with that. That is pretty. What's going on? I like that. At least we got Kendra Scott, huh? That's a plus. And this thing right here, it's a plastic in the bottom and then another beads at the top. Seems to be like you can able to wash this. It looks like you can tie it around your waist maybe, or make it like a tie. I don't know. Let's look at this, guys. I'm gonna show you this. I know it's annoying sounds with the plastic, but this is it can be brooch and it can be, say, a belt. I don't know. Look at how long this thing. But there might be a belt. All the way. I'm surprised it's not broken. It looks new. It has this and it's Chico's, and it's like this, all the way, all the way. It's attached to this and this. I don't know. Let's see what I'm dealing it here. And this one here. This is the in piece of this. I really don't know what it is. Oh, look. You can take it out. See that? It's really nice. It's adjustable. Oh, the piece is gone here. And here. There's two is gone, missing. Oh well. See what we can do about that. This one is broken. All broken. It's missing out of the rhinestone. Oh boy. I'm surprised that doesn't mess up everything. This looks new right here. It's pretty too. Look at how pretty that is. All like pen. And it's new. I like that. That's another belt. Maybe. Gosh. Look at this, guys. It is a belt. Let's look. It looks like that. That is a belt. It's a heavy one. Something missing on here. Oh, this is unclined. Right here. Made in Korea. That's ML. Made in Korea. That's vintage. That's ML. Oh, it might not be missing. It's probably just the style. Another belt. Whoever's MLS. Or like this. Get airing here. It's another broken piece of. It's not real because look, it's spilling off. We got a key. Somebody's key that has rhinestone. That's gotta be pendant. Another pearl. Oh, pearl. Oh boy. Oh boy. This one right here is a bunch of necklace. A Christmas necklace. It's just, this one is chain. And it's not sterling. And this is all knotted. Look. There's one pendant, two pendant. And there's another pendant. It's probably all together. And it's probably E.100 SP right here. Yep, it's E.100. It says E.100 right there. There's Christmas tree pendant. So we're gonna untangle that, hopefully. Golly, look at that, guys. That's earring. We have all this lucky brand. I don't know if this is where they're supposed to put, because I think it is, because the reason I know, because there's still a plastic in there along with their back thingy. So it's a lucky brand earrings. Pulse earring. Oh, there it is. I found it. And we have another chain here. We just have white beads. Plastic. Look at this earrings, Betty Boo. It's Betty Boo. This one is more like just a Mardi. I don't know what this is. Mardi Gras beads. Earring. This is came up with something. And there's another broken part, the breast roller. Another earring here. It's all tarnish. That's a nice chain right there. It's tarnish. Probably can use that chain, maybe. Got letter M. It's plastic. Chain link. This is very, what do you call this? Denty. Let's see this here. 925. This is sterling. This is sterling. Okay. We get some. This probably comes with the earring. Just put it there. Look at this, guys. This is pretty. What? I like this. Another earring. Earring. No, it's not earring. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a bracelet. Cross and the sunflower. It's broken. Yeah, it's broken. It's not real. It's broken. Yeah, it's cute right there. It's a bed style. I like that. See that? It's not a real pearls, just plastic. Let's look at this style, guys. It's really nice. You have this other one again. I don't know where this came from, but it looks like a real semi-precious gem. Okay. The one I put it here is earrings. Earrings. Oh, that's a pendant. That's nice. It's an owl. Pendant. This is not in good condition, but it's not broken. It's kind of tarnished this side. I don't know. Maybe I can keep that. Got a bracelet here that's broken. Let's see if we can. No. No, ma'am. That's a long tassel. I mean, a lariat necklace. See that? There's this thing right here. Maybe I can clean that. I can sell that. Maybe. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. I'll take this out first. God, this one is, I don't know what kind of gemstone is this, but this is real because look, very cold to touch. You guys tell me, educate me. What is this? And is this Talbot? No, West and Co. Let's see that thing. Let's say West and Co. That's the necklace for it. And it's tangled up. It's really nice. On another white beads. Look at this all mess. That's cute right here. We found one that gets stuck. Oh, it's broken now. Come apart. It looks like a map of some sort. Some state, not sort. And this is not, doesn't have a mark. It's broken. I'm trying to get this out. And look at all. Oh boy. It's another tassel style here. It's definitely going to crop that or maybe throw it away. And another faux leather with this thing. Maybe I should just take some of this stuff and put in a crop lot, because that's a real pearl. It's just amazing. A long ways, baby. This is the bracelet, medical bracelet. Like I said, you can buy this in probably regular pharmacies. This is supposed to be magnetic, like if you have arthritis, that magnetic supposed to ease the tightness. How cute. I should sell that. Another one. Look at all that. Cook. Put it in plastic because I don't want that everywhere. There's two necklaces here. This looks new. It's just a passion earrings. Necklace. That one is just beads. Look at this, guys. It's cute, huh? What's the purpose, though? The chain is new, but look. I don't know what the meaning of this Oh, there's a mark. Let me see what the mark says. A stamp 925. You know what? I don't really believe that's 925. There's a lot of fakers right now. That's the way they stamp it. It doesn't look real. So I'm not gonna say that's a real sterling because let me see here. It might not be doing that, but I come across with that kind of stamp. If you've been doing this for a while, you will know. Plus, you had to be careful when you post it, because I got in trouble one time. But never again would I do that without making sure I'll leave those, like, what is this? This thing. Like when you testing it with the acid test. So you have to leave it for a while. There's no mark on this. I don't know about this one. This doesn't belongs to that. This, I don't know if you call it pendant. You have to wait a couple minutes. For the tester to work properly. Oh my goodness, look at that. Some earrings here. There's a bracelet. Oh, that's another broken piece. Before I put it on the couplet. This is interesting here. This is all just chain, but I think they're all together. See that? But I can't figure it out. You know what? I'm gonna put you in the trash. I'm gonna make sure you don't bug anything. Sorry guys, you gotta put this in the trash. I hate to waste stuff like that. This one is just a holder, chain holder maybe. That's pretty. This is the worst taco I ever had. Tangles can be good sometimes. I don't know what this is, like another tassel, and this is all crooked. I'm gonna crumple up. This one is on the corner and nobody bothers being tangled on this one, so that's cute, huh? Steady color, but my hands is nasty right now. It's okay. Thing. Probably can sell it. Maybe. That's maybe. That's why, because this thing right here comes up. It's a bracelet thingy. It's broken. Perfect. Oh, this is Bebe. Bebe. What you doing, Bebe? Oh, that's just cute. Look at you. You get away. Excuse me. Must be out this. This is a tassel 3-layer, and it says this right here, and then this thing is down. It has a drizzle. Sparkly. It's cute. Definitely can sell this. Oh, look at you. You're special. This is all real pearl. It's very nice gem. I'll turn on my frizzy. Because this might be garnet, maybe. And this is all tangled up here. Because this thing right here, this pearl is real. Looks like a rosary.